Everything you think you know about Apple's hardware roadmap is a lie. For months, professionals, creators, and power users have been holding their breath, hoarding their cash, and waiting for the inevitable arrival of the next great titan in Apple silicon, the MacBook Pro M6 Max. The tech community has built up massive expectations, predicting unprecedented core counts, unmatched graphical performance, and a continuation of the traditional release cycle that has defined the Mac for half a decade. But behind the closed doors of Cupertino, a radical, high-stakes shift has occurred that changes absolutely everything. Tech analysts and supply chain leaks have confirmed a shocking development that is currently sending ripples of panic and confusion through the entire industry. Apple isn't just tweaking the formula this time. They are completely rewriting the rules of high-end personal computing. And if you are currently saving up for an M6 Max MacBook Pro, you are about to be hit by a massive tech ambush. To understand the sheer scale of the disruption that is unfolding right now, you have to look at what is happening within Apple's engineering labs. For years, the cadence was entirely predictable. Launch a base chip, follow it up with a Pro and a Max variant, and dominate the benchmarks. But the demands of modern computing have shifted at a terrifyingly rapid pace. The sudden explosion of local, agentic artificial intelligence and the immense graphical requirements of next-generation spatial software have pushed standard chip architectures to their absolute limits. Apple realized that a standard generational spec bump wouldn't be enough to maintain their chokehold on the creative and professional industry. The internal leaks indicate that Apple has made the shocking, unprecedented decision to skip the production of high-end M6 variants entirely. There will be no M6 Pro, and there will be no M6 Max. Instead, Apple is executing a double-pronged strategic maneuver that renders the traditional MacBook Pro lineup completely obsolete, redirecting their multi-billion-dollar resources toward a brand new tier of computing power designed to force every Windows competitor out of the market entirely. This sudden cancellation of the M6 Max has left the tech world scrambling for answers. But the reality is far more exciting than a mere specification update. Apple is channeling its energy into two distinct, mind-bending projects. First, the base M6 chip is being deployed as a highly specialized, hyper-efficient processor built on a cutting-edge process node that pushes memory bandwidth to a staggering 200 gigabytes per second. This base chip alone is designed to match the performance of older Pro-tier processors while consuming a fraction of the power. But the real bomb that Apple is about to drop, the device that is completely replacing the concept of the M6 Max, is the highly secretive, radically redesigned flagship machine known internally as the MacBook Ultra. This isn't just a faster laptop. It is the most comprehensive ground-up overhaul of the Macintosh since the transition to Apple Silicon itself, and it is engineered specifically to act as the ultimate playground for elite creators and developers. The MacBook Ultra represents the death of Apple's long-standing design dogmas. For more than a decade, the company has stubbornly insisted that touchscreens do not belong on a laptop. They told the world that the iPad was for touch, and the Mac was for precision. But that era is officially over. The upcoming flagship is engineered to feature the first-ever touchscreen display on a Mac, seamlessly integrating